somebody else. Enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself. Just leave it for somebody else. Enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself.
Yeah, hi, pink flowers. This is actually my very first Roblox video since I deleted all my videos. So this is special. So I decided to make a Roblox every other week because I'm posting every week. I will be posting this every single Saturday, which is 2 days after my normal posting time. So, yeah. Very cool. Today I'm playing Tornado Alley, which is actually kind of fun. Which one should we do? This one. I don't think we've done that one yet. Well, we didn't get what we wanted, which is fine. So we got the airport. So basically what you have to do in this game is you're supposed to survive it. It could be a tornado,
Are you looking? Where are you playing?
Tornado Alley. You can just join me if you want. My brother's talking to me. It could be a tsunami, it could be a tornado, it could be a hurricane, it could be an earthquake. It could be basically any storm. My nose is itchy. Oh, it says tornadoes. Yay. I wonder what tornado it's gonna be, because there can be multiple different tornadoes, but I think the safest spot for a tornado would probably be right here. Crouching. Like this. Yeah? Yeah, it's a tornado. What tornado is it, though? I kind of want to see. it. Where is it? What is it? What tornado is it?
Pink flower?
Yeah.
Never mind.
Hey. An EF0? Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. I know a bit about tornadoes, and I think an EF0 is, it's not as big as an EF5 or 4 or something, I think. Or it's the opposite way. I don't know, but I saw an EF1 in this game, and it wasn't that big. Whoa, 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 what the heck? Oh, dang it. Ah! No! No! I need to run! Ah! I don't know where it is. Oh! Ah! How am I supposed to run when I can barely jump? Oh no! Oh, that's an EF0. Okay, an EF0 isn't that big. Oh, I died. I can enter the map again, which is, I think, pretty cool. Oh, but it moves fast. It's small, but it moves fast. Maybe this garage. Can I get into this area? Can I get into the truck? I can get into the truck. I think, no, I can't. Dang it. I can go into here, though. This doesn't look that safe. Oh, a bat. Tap. What, am I gonna beat up? Break windows if needed. I'm gonna test this. Where's the window? Get me to a window. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. What? I survived. Not really. I didn't survive. What? 2? That's not fair. Where do I go? Where am I supposed to... Oh, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Where was I supposed to go anyways? It's not like there's a second floor on this or anything. Well, I died again. Yay. I can't join back. Sad. Maybe I can watch? Is there a way to watch? Somewhere? Down here? Huh? No? What's this? I don't know. But I'm trying a new recording app and I kind of like it. Like my intro. I made an outro with the same exact music because the music is just, I love it. Yeah, this is me being weird. Oh, if you want a twin voice reveal, if you're subscribed to my twin, Blue Flower Gacha, I will come up with a voice for her.
Who's Blue Flower Gacha?
Second channel. She is my twin on my second channel. I have a twin on Gacha. Yes, yes. I can come up with a voice for her. Want me to do it? That sounds cool. No, I'm gonna do it right now. Hi. I'm Maddie. I don't want to. No. Yes? Maybe? I don't know. Yay! I did her voice. That actually sounds pretty good, doesn't it?
What?
The voice I just made? Yes? No? Maybe? I don't know. Sounds so cool? Sound like a good voice for my twin?
Sure.
Very tired. I was actually playing Animal Crossing a bit ago. So that's cool. Blanket, come here. You will warm me up from my coldness. Because I am the cold.
Do you have the blanket of the computer?
This is actually a really warm blanket. It has like sand inside of it.
The blanket of the here.
I got a fuzzy weighted blanket for Christmas. Oh, it is so comfortable. It has like sand in it or something. It's just so comfortable. I love it. That's the one I'm using right now, if you don't already know. I'm not bragging, just telling you about my blanket. Kind of bragging, but... No, I'm just telling you, okay? There's a difference. There might be a tornado. We need to run. Probably going up here isn't... Multiple tornadoes? How many? How many? How many? How many? How many? 2 tornadoes at once? Which ones? Which ones? Please don't be an EF5. Please don't. Please, it's one of the worst. Please don't be an EF5. Please. Please. Please don't be an EF5. What if it's 2 EF5s? EF5 is like really big.
What if it's 5 AF5s?
No, it said 2. It said 2. It said it would be 2, so either they're lying or they're telling the truth. Whoa. Whoa, 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 that looks like... What? An EF0 and what? And an EF2? I think I'm being pulled in by the EF0 or 2. No, I'm being pulled in by the EF2. That was the EF2. EF2 is kind of big, but not as big as the EF. That's an EF2. Guys. I'm going crazy because it's pulling me in. No, I died. I can rejoin, it just won't count. Enter map. So for some reason, I like being paralyzed in this game because it just leaves me helpless. So I feel like I want to do that, like get paralyzed. Someone's paralyzed. Someone's paralyzed. I saw a help sign. I need to help them. Oh, they're being flung. I can't help them. I can't help them. They're being flung. Can't help them. I'm sorry. Sorry. I want to be paralyzed. That also. What? Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. That person's being carried, right? Right? Is that a right? Yeah, that person's being carried. Okay. 2 EF5s is so crazy. I'm doing what you're not supposed to do. Well, I got paralyzed. Yeah. So, it's a hurricane now. My whole screen is red because I'm paralyzed and my skull broke and I'm unable to move. Paralyzed, I thought meant you can't move your legs, but I don't know anything apparently. But my skull broke, so yeah, that's cool. Actually, not cool. Don't jump off buildings, kids. This is a Roblox game.
I think every kid knows to not jump off buildings.
Excuse me, they just dropped me on the floor and then are kicking me around? What is wrong with these people? Oh, he has a broken limb. That's sad. Someone has a broken foot. That's sad. I would help you, but I'm paralyzed. Because I broke my skull by falling off a building. Eee. I hope the hurricane is almost done because it's making me... Oh, what? Oh, we got crushed. Literally.
At least
Oh,
it's
he,
just
oh,
a
he might
part
be
of my
paralyzed, and
brain
then we're
right
both
now.
paralyzed. No. This is crazy. This isn't really a hurricane. Looks more like a. How do I say this? Things flying around. But hurricane is a lot of wind and rain and stuff like that. So. Yeah.
Those laser guys are so.
It might be a hurricane. I don't know. I was playing Animal Crossing, so I have my Nintendo Switch here, and it was blinking at me, so I turned it off.
Can you just whack them?
Excuse me, I am paralyzed. I cannot move. I broke my skull. You do not just drop me on the floor, you disrespectful people. Shoot, my tablet's gonna die. My tablet's at yeah, it's at 5%. I might not be able to finish this. After this, okay, well, that's it for now, guys. I gotta edit this video and then go to sleep, even though it's already 9. Yeah. I'm gonna edit this video and then I'm gonna plug my tablet in. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time I post. Bye.